In 2024, everyone told you to learn Python. In 2040, the most successful people are psychologists, philosophers, and negotiators. Why? Because the machine handles the how, but only you handle the why. Technical skills have a shelf life. Empathy is eternal. In the golden age, your humanity is your greatest competitive advantage. Translators of meaning. The AI can generate 1,000 solutions, but it takes a human heart to know which one actually matters to a client or a patient. We bridge the gap between cold logic and warm reality. We are the architects of purpose in a world of infinite data. Empathy is no longer a soft skill. It is the hardest skill of all. An AI can diagnose a disease in seconds, but it can't sit with you and share the weight of the news. Leadership, care, and emotional intelligence are the new gold standard. The more we automate the brain, the more we value the soul. Machines calculate, but humans judge. In 2040, ethical decision-making is a high-stakes profession. We are the ones who set the moral compass for the algorithms. Judgment is the final frontier. It requires a lifetime of human experience that no training set can ever fully replicate.
Don't fear the machine. Use it to amplify your spirit. When you stop trying to be a better computer, you finally have the time to be a better human. This is the true promise of Scenario A. Technology doesn't replace us, it reveals us. It's time to step into your power.
Stay empathetic. Stay curious. Next time, we'll see how this power is bringing everyone back into the game. See you then. Subscribe to lead the golden age.